morning guys, and welcome back to this channel. If you are new here, hi, I am Shakay and I do vlogs, lifestyle, beauty videos. So if you're interested in that kind of content, go ahead and hit that subscribe button, hit that bell so you're notified every time I make a video. So guys, I had to do that intro, we can't miss it again. I haven't talked to you guys in a while, I think. Yeah, and again guys, sorry, I'm so sorry I missed another Saturday's upload. I have been busy, yeah, school and well, work and just home stuff and all of that just has been busy. So but yes, we're gonna fix that very soon. So hi, oh, come and show them your hair. I'll show them your hair now. She get hairstyle, people. I'm my girl show off with it to see. She just a show off with me, not because for me to come and zip me. I'm thinking about probably if I should cream it or if I should braid it. So right now it's Tuesday morning. I have class like at 9:15. It is currently 8:31, so I'm gonna make breakfast and then set up for my class. So yeah, we're gonna get toasted cereals today. And me, what would you do, mom? What would you do? Oh well, anyways, people, we're gonna have toasted strings and some bacon. I'm having porridge, guys. That mine.
Meanwhile,
my sister having Fruit Loops. This is what she eats.
That's no good food.
Porridge is not good food anymore.
I don't drink porridge.
Porridge boring anymore. Ugh. Tired of porridge. Alright guys, so right now I am about to do some French toast. This is gonna be my first time doing this, so let's hope it turns out properly. So I have a recipe here that I'm gonna follow. Great vlogging area. So I have my dish already, that's for sure. But for my French toast, my telling something else annoy me. For my French toast, I'm gonna have eggs. I'm gonna need 2 eggs, 2/3 cup milk, cinnamon, nutmeg. I don't think I'm gonna put the cinnamon. I'm just gonna do the nutmeg and the vanilla extract. Or nutmeg, may I forgot grate it and butter. So I'm gonna use the cinnamon instead. Cinnamon, vanilla, and the salt. This is what the mixture looks like. It's just, yeah, you know, pretty cool. Now we're gonna get the pan on the stove and then we can begin. Guys, I kind of burn it, but yeah. Is it? What?
May I go backwards or front way?
You're backwards. Guys, my sister made pig's tail stew peas. Yeah. Mommy, how was it?
Delicious. Clean the
She clean our plate, people.
How
How about you?
Let me see now.
I enjoyed it. I went for seconds.
Extra?
Yes.
But anyways,
So good.
I'm going to you know, Mommy said she go for seconds, but yeah, let me taste now.
And see what happens now.
Yes, guys.
So good.
So what is it? It's mine.
What are you talking about?
I hope you all know that.
Alright, guys. So let me get a little bit of
Since
the
my plate was
rice.
so small. And it seemed as if I hadn't eaten.
Take a picture, Alice.
Blame it on the
Jeez.
It's nice.
nice.
She can't marry.
Nice. Yes.
She can't marry now.
Seriously?
If
I give permission.
If you can't cook, can't
Let me
marry.
see.
Okay, if you can't cook, it makes sense.
Exactly.